So good evening class. So this is my last and final class on management, and we will complete our syllabus, means my allotted portion, of course. We are left with a very small portion, so this class will be a very small and it will not be a too much lengthy class. And here I will teach what is decision making, that we all know, and what is forecasting. Only the main thing that is left is what are the methods, what are the models that we used for forecasting. Okay, it is not included in my notes. It is there in the books, but today I will give you, I have written it, I have made a handwritten notes, and if you wish you can take snapshot of that, which will be helpful for you all. Okay, because in details, in depth, it is not required to study in details. Okay. So what is decision making, students? What is decision making? Decision making is what? It is a part of planning, yes or no? Decision making is a part of planning, yes or no? Means planning and decision making are correlated. Of course, we plan to make a decision, correct? That we are choosing which path to reach. This is which path. We have 3 paths, we have discussed this. Which path we will choose to reach our flat is based on, this is a decision only. If I choose A, this becomes my decision. This decision comes from a proper planning why I am choosing A. Correct? Means planning and decision making are correlated. It is a decision making is a part of planning. We are choosing an alternative based on planning. Correct? We are choosing an alternative based on planning, and that is only decision making. When an organization chooses project A instead of project B, this decision of choosing project A is based on our planning. Why we have chose A and not B and C. So nothing. Decision making means what? It is a part of planning. It is a part of planning, and it's a major function of planning, correct? Why we plan to take a decision only? We plan to take a decision. So decision making and planning are correlated. They depend on each other, correct? They depend on each other. Okay? So all planning involves decision making. All planning involves decision making, yes or no? We plan to make a decision. Why we are planning? Without any reason we are sat together to plan something, no? Because we want to come to a solution. We want to come to a decision that we have to do this. So what? Decision making and planning are correlated. Nothing much you have to study from this portion. Okay, the next portion that we are left with a class of 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, hardly. Next portion that we are left is what is forecasting. What is forecasting? What is forecasting now, guys? You all know what is forecasting. What is forecasting? We assume about the future. Forecast means we are assuming, we are not sure, we are thinking that this might happen. Amra bhabji eta hote pare. That is forecasting. We are assuming. We are just assuming. Amra bhabji eta hote pare. Correct? That is forecasting. Yes or no? Yes or no? So forecasting means based on our present and past events, based on our present and past events, we are determining, we are trying to determine our future, based on our present and past event, we are trying to determine our future. That is forecasting. Based on present and past event, we are trying to determine our future. Correct? That is forecasting. আমরা ফোকাস্টিং কোনোদিন পারফেক্ট হতে পারে না, এক্স্যাক্ট হবে সেটা আমরা বলতে পারি না, যে যেটা আমি ভাবছি সেটাই হবে, মাঝে মাঝে হয়ে যায়। দ্যাট ইজ লাইক বিকজ আওয়ার পাস্ট অ্যান্ড প্রেজেন্ট, the way we have seen the present and past, the way we have calculated was perfectly all right. That's why our forecasting became perfectly correct. But this forecasting we do based on our present and past event only, correct? Seeing the trend, we decide, like you all discussed this time, first a class er moddhe first ei hobe. Why we say that a class er moddhe first Sonia hobe ba Rahul hobe? Why we can say this? Because we are seeing their track records. Continuously they have scored the highest marks. Presently also they are studying very good, studying very well. That's why we could determine or we could focus that yes, in the next exam also they will score the highest. So this is forecasting. So this forecasting is based on certain techniques, and these techniques are two type of technique. Just try to take screenshot if possible, okay, or write it if possible. See, qualitative technique. First one is what? Qualitative technique. My handwriting is a little bizarre anyways, but anyways, try. I'm telling you everything. You try to write down in your copies, okay? So what is qualitative technique? Qualitative techniques are based on, means forecasting are based on judgments and past experience. Based on my judgment, how good I can judge a thing, I can judge a situation, and based on the past experience. That is called qualitative technique. Now there are three types of qualitative technique of forecasting. One is what? One is analogic method. One is analogic method. So what is analogic method? Forecasting based on past events. This method is also known as historical method. So when we forecast based on our past events, we are just seeing our past situation, past incidents that have happened, and based on those past events, when we are determining or trying to determine our future, trying to forecast our future, that is called analogic method. So we can call this method as historical methodology. Why history? Because history is past. History is past. Correct? History is something that something have happened. That's why it is also called what? It's also called historical method. Correct? Next comes opinion poll. From the name itself, it's quite clear. We are taking opinion from different people, expert people, from different people, from experts. Based on their opinion, we are forecasting. Sometimes before taking certain decision, we take opinion from our parents, because we know that they are the expert persons. Why? They have the experience, they have the knowledge, they have the experience more than us. So depending on them will be helpful for us. Correct? That's why we try to take suggestions from our seniors, from teachers, also sometimes from our friends, because we believe that they are more experienced than us. So this is called opinion, when we are taking opinion from others. Correct? So one technique is used, just remember the name, it's called the Delphi technique. Opinion poll, when we are forecast based on the opinion, such technique is also called this technique. The technique used is known as a Delphi technique. Question comes sometimes, so I have written it. Next, survey method. Survey method. What is survey method? Survey method means forecasting based on survey. Survey of what? Past and present event. Analogic method was a historical method. It was only forecasting based on past event. Understand the difference. And what is survey method? Survey method is what? Survey method is